Hey traders, a very quick update here on nat gas, coal and crude oil, starting with natural gas first. So what do we have right here? Let me show you what I've said in my last video quickly so that we can understand the conditions. But if you want to enter in a less aggressive way, then wait for another red and green candle. That will be a bullish engulfer and a possible buy signal or double bottom entry pattern within this area. Nice one. So as you can see, we did get an entry condition right here. With that, the ADR of this candle is 6.5, and as you can see, the price did pushed up 6.5. A trade alert sent to the members yesterday, and after our take profit is hit, I've immediately emailed member that I've exited my trade after a quick scalp. Initially we took two targets, and looking at 20 EMA strong resistance, I've decided to exit my trade, and I've informed members as well. Now what to expect from here? Now you guessed it right. As you can see, we had an aggressive entry with this candle right here. Now if you know, I mark my rejection area, something like this. In order to take a bearish trade, a continuation, I want to see a break and close below this low. As you can see, the price is constantly making lower lows, and with that we also had another low followed by bounces. Every time the price pushed down, bounce, push down, bounce, that is enough to hit our target, and we have our target hit with this little bounce. And then if it wants to continue in a trend downwards, then it will likely break and close below this previous low, and to see that we need to wait. And if we have a rejection here with bullish engulfer or our pin bars, in that case we will have another double bottom, and in that case we will take another quick scalp before the price can fall again, or it can likely reverse again. We'll see the bullish momentum at that time if price break and close above 20 EMA and 50 EMA. In that case we have a change in trend. So keep an eye here, have your rejection zones ready on your charts, and look for the condition exactly the same like this we had yesterday, a successful trade. Once we have a condition, I will email members here on YouTube. You know what to look at: bullish engulfers above this rejection box. Same on Wanda and same here on MCX as well. The price is now in the support zone, a strong support. If you have a break and close below the previous low, then you have a chance the price will push down, and this low is 177.3. If you have a break below this number, then we have a continuation towards downside. Let's check gold. Right here, gold is now above 50 EMA, and we had a nice take profit hit with this nice candle. At this point we have a Fed interest rate decision due, as you can see right here. That is due in next 58 minutes, and the expectation is to increase the interest rate. If that happens, then price will likely to fall, dollar will get strong, and gold will fall. In that case, if that happens, technically the price is bullish, but at this point, looking at the Fed interest rate decision, I'm not entering buy trades for the gold. It's likely that gold will fall, crash if they increase the interest rate decision as expected. So we can have a fall out of gold looking at the fundamentals. Interest rate decision is something I closely look at, and if we have an expectation which is increased, then in that case the price do react positively. In this case, price can likely fall from here. Let's check crude oil. Right, crude oil is now pushing up. Like I said yesterday, once the price break and close this box, then we have a likely push up. That would be a valid condition, but looking at the little gap opening, I wouldn't have entered this trade. Now price did broke above the neckline of this pattern. I'm expecting a push up. Just wait for the price to close above 50 EMA. If that happens, once we have a complete break and close above, we have a likely chance that crude oil will push up from here. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.